there, scrappers and crafters. Marsha here from Bugmark Creations. Thank you for stopping by my channel today. So, first and foremost, I want to apologize again for like the umpteenth millionth time that I haven't been on in quite a while. I think the last time I was on was October. It's just been a whirlwind. First, my mom's been sick. I've been sick. My husband's been sick. Of course, I got married. So happy. And then my cat got sick. Almost lost my cat. And then I got sick again. Work has been absolutely insane. It's like for 2 weeks I'm working like nonstop every day, and then all of a sudden down to like 1 day a week. So I don't know what's going on with that. With this sickness that I have, the doctors haven't figured it out, but I'm like starting to lose my hair. It's not cancer. It's not anything really bad. It's just I've been sick for some unknown reason. Nobody knows why. So that's why I'm wearing this funky little wig, but I think it is absolutely super cute. It's really, really cute. I mean, it's long, it's beautiful. I like it. I mean, I don't really, my cousin says it looks kind of funny, but you know what? Who the heck cares? It's my hair, sort of. So yeah, I'm just going with it. Anyways, if you see me kind of wandering my eyes over here, it's because I'm not used to this setup. I'm used to a light being like right here where I can just pinpoint and stare at you. So I'm trying to look at a green light, but it's not really working because I keep seeing myself. Very weird. So yeah, there's that. Anyways, I wanted to come on here not only to apologize, but also to show you my new villaging stuff. So I've been getting really into this Christmas villaging, and I'm doing a summer village this year as well. So all I do is just change a few pieces out and add a few little snowy scenes in, and then it's Christmas village. So yeah, I'm gonna show you a few things. I'm starting a train, but right now my train, I did some this morning and it almost caught fire, so I have to figure out something else. So because this engine thing and sparks, it's kind of weird. So when my hubby gets home, he's gonna look at it and hopefully clean it and we can get it all straightened out. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna flip this over and I'm gonna show you the stuff that I got. Okay guys, I'm back. So a little while ago I had ordered some stuff from A Hobby online, and they just got it sent to me here in Canada. It does take a little bit of time. It took about a week and a half, which honestly that's really good coming from like Washington or wherever the heck they're from. So clear across the country and then up a country. So yeah, and then I found a bunch of stuff on Marketplace. It's like a Facebook thing. I don't know if anybody's really heard of it. I don't know. Probably. And we did a trade. Me and two people, we did a trade, as well as me just buying a whole bunch of stuff, because this lady named Sheila, she was selling some stuff, and she doesn't live very far from me. She was selling pretty much her entire village because they're moving or something, I don't know. And she wanted to downsize to a smaller village, and I had done some craft villaging, so she actually wanted to buy that, and I wanted to buy some of her stuff. So I'm like, you know what, let's just trade a few things, what each is worth. So we did, and I got a bunch of houses and a few other little features. And then after Christmas I bought pretty much the rest of her lot of what she had left from her sale that she had. And then there's two things that she had accidentally sold, but I got something a little different, and it was absolutely amazing. So I got a ski village, or not ski village, a ski like an alpine ski lodge, and a fire hall, and these two little things here. So one is the Department 56 prized poultry stand, and the little butcher man, and I don't know if the man or woman, but either way, and the child with a big old turkey. So I think I scored good on that one. So I got that one. It is a Department 56. It is part of the Dickens Christmas, but that's okay. And then I got this guy here, which is the Potbelly Stove Delivery Team, also from Department 56. And that's what these guys look like. Big old Clydesdale with the man pulling the buggy. So there's the buggy, and the man, and a horse. See? In there. And then the two little guys hauling the big old thing. I think it's so cute. They're amazing. So I got those. So yeah, I think I scored on that one. And then I met another lady that had bought a bunch of Limax stuff and completely realized it was the wrong size. She wanted the smaller stuff. So I did give her a few smaller stuff. And I also gave her a Ferris wheel, which worked because she wanted like a fairground since she didn't have a Ferris wheel. So I gave her my Ferris wheel. And then I haven't pulled any of that stuff out. I don't know where they are because all my stuff's put away. And then one of her neighbors was getting rid of some stuff, so I bought them from her for like $12 or something. So I got these from her. And they're not even opened. It's brand spanking new. I'm not gonna open them, obviously. But there's deer, like a little woodland scene with a moose and some rabbits, some martins and some deer. I don't know what's going on with my lighting, so I'm gonna try to turn that up. There we go. And then I got, isn't he cute, little milkman with the 3 cats. I mean, they're so cute. Milkman with 3 cats. I love it. Super cute. And then this one's got to be my favorite one. It's a little lady with her little piggies. Sorry about the glare, but it's so cute. So I am gonna have a little petting zoo in my little new setup that I'm doing. And then I have Grandma, or Mrs. Claus. I'm gonna say Mrs. Claus, kind of looks like Mrs. Claus, with her cookies. And then I have these little guys here, the little man and woman gone shopping. So I have quite a few shops, so I'm gonna do that. I am going to be doing a like a dock scene and have like a little kind of a lake or ocean or whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna have that and like a boardwalk along the edge there. So I decided to get some stuff for that. So I got some fishing stuff, super cute. So I got a man and a woman that are just getting ready to go fishing. So they might be on the dock, they might be down by the lake, or they could be up in the river system, up in the woodland scene and the camping scene, which I think that's where these guys are gonna go. And then I got this little guy here with his daddy. I love him, they're so cute. And I don't want to take them out because this little string that goes here literally flops out and it's a pain in the butt putting it back in the package. So super cute, love them to pieces. And then of course I had to get this one. This one I will take out because he is hard to see and it is absolutely adorable. So it's little son and his daddy fishing in the lake with that, and he's got one heck of a big fish for his first catch, and they're in a little canoe. I mean, so cute. But anyways, that is what I got. Yeah, and I'm gonna do another kind of what I got kind of stuff a little bit later with the houses and everything, kind of going through that. And then I'm also going to show you guys a little bit of a setup. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. And again, I do apologize. And oh yeah, I wanted to show you this. I totally forgot. I've been creating stuff for my village as well. So I have a train, 2 train sets. I have this little train set, which is this bigger one. And then I have a little HO set, which like I explained in the beginning, yeah, kind of didn't like me too much. But yeah, I built this one out of popsicle sticks and then I painted it so you can kind of see where the tracks are on here. And of course the steam, all the pipe smoke from the steam engine going there. And of course it says, it's backwards to you guys, but DMPB, which is Dan, Marsha, Pepper, and Blaze, which Pepper and Blaze are my cats. And then 23 and the X because 23 is a year and X because of the crossing. So love this, super cute. Oh my gosh. And I did this. I know, what the heck is it? So it's a mountaintop. It's like a peak for a mountaintop. I am gonna have like little mountain climbers and stuff. I have no idea where I am. There we go. So little mountain climbers and everything gonna be along here. Gonna have somebody sitting there. Basically, I'm gonna have a tutorial on how I made this. So there's is the beginning part of the second one I'm going to be doing. So hopefully you guys see that. Anyways, enough jibber jabber. I'm glad you guys were with me today, and I'll talk to y'all later, okay?